It's almost 12 days now, but justice remains elusive as the entire nation, from doctors to engineers to people from all walks of life, are now out on streets raising demands for justice. In fact, Kishle also joins us now from the Republic Bangla newsroom. Kishle, we're showing our viewers how there have been multiple protests being staged in different parts of Bengal, in Delhi, in Lucknow, in other parts of the world as well. The demand is the same. The demand and chorus is for justice to Abhay and for the resignation of Mamata Banerjee, under whose watch this kind of a case has taken place. There are questions being raised on Sandeep Ghosh as well, who is being quizzed as of now. We're also brought to our viewers the live visuals of his car that was examined by the CBI team. But this is middle class anger that is now out on streets. Talk to us about the largest nexus that Republic has now been able to uncover about the drugs and bribery racket that was also underway at RG Kar.
Well, Kriti, this is Ishan Dev from Republic Bangla newsroom, and as we are asking that what nexus other than this incident of irregularities and bad practices are being found by CBI. CBI is not till now ready to make any kind of comment on that. CBI is this time very, very confidential regarding all the issues relating to the interrogations which are going on. But you know that almost consecutively for 5 days, Sandeep Ghosh has been interrogated by CBI, and according to the sources which informations are coming out, as per those we can say that there was a drug racketeering going on in and around RG Kar, and the pivotal role was being played by this Sandeep Ghosh, according to the sources. And this drug racket means the drugs which are being used at the hospital for the treatment of the patients. Those drugs were being supplied from some source which are not approved sources, and they were supplying very low quality of drugs, and that's why the treatment, the health issues were being compromised. So these are the things which are coming to the surface, but CBI investigators are yet to make any comment on that, and before they make any statement in front of the court regarding these things, which informations they are getting against Sandeep Ghosh regarding racketeering, like these low quality drugs and all, no such details are coming out officially from the investigators. Kriti.
Ishan Dev, we're also seeing how it's for the 12th day that the protests are continuing. We haven't seen such kind of an uprising in a very long time. It was in the Nirbhaya case in 2012 when protests of this kind over a rape murder case was staged, and now it's in 2024 that there are unending, undying protests across the nation, in fact parts of the world. Talk to us about the latest protest visuals that we're bringing to our viewers from Siliguri and from Kolkata right now.
Well, throughout West Bengal, everywhere, not only from the big cities like Kolkata and Siliguri, but in every district, in every almost in every district town, in villages, everywhere such protest marches are being organized, and this is not possible for any media organization to show so many protest marches. Such high is the number, and we are showing you the biggest protest marches from the biggest locations, biggest cities, and that's why I would like to mention you in front of you that you have already shown the visuals, and you are now also showing the visual of the protest march by ABVP in Siliguri. At the same time, in different places in Kolkata, very big protest demonstrations are going on. At Sham Bazar 5 Point, the BJP state leadership is sitting in they are staging a dharna avasthan there, and the state BJP president and union minister Shukanto Mujumdar is there. The leader of opposition of West Bengal Assembly, Shubhendu Adhikari, is there. Dilip Ghosh, the former president of West Bengal BJP, who was also the national vice president of BJP, he was also there. The whole state leadership is present there. At the same time, you have also shown the visuals of Shastho Bhavan Abhijan by the doctors. The protesting doctors are hitting the streets every day in Kolkata and other towns in West Bengal. And today, they in a very large number marched from CGO complex to Shastro Bhavan, and they are now staging a sit in dharna in front of Shastro Bhavan, and their representation has already gone inside Shastro Bhavan to place their demands in front of the highest health officials here in West Bengal. So all these things are going on. At the same time, Congress is also hitting the streets today. As we have shown that Rahul Gandhi, who is the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, he was trying to evade a question regarding this RG Kar incident yesterday. But his party in West Bengal is taking a different stand, and they have staged protest in Kolkata. They have tried to do a Lal Bazar Abhijan, which is the headquarter of Kolkata Police. And Pradeep Bhattacharya, who was the former president of Pradesh Congress, he has been detained. Abdul Mannan, the former leader of opposition, he has been detained. Santosh Pathak, a very veteran councillor of Kolkata Corporation, he has been detained. At the same time, in front of Nizam Palace, which is also an office of CBI, in front of Nizam Palace also, Congress is showing some demonstrations.